We have different dimensions, no? Obviously, the electric system, the electric sector, always regulation is relevant. So we need to define policies and regulation to promote. But I think that now we have great news. Until now, most of the renewable policies were based on the idea to support, from an economical point of view, with subsidies, the rollout of renewable. Now renewable technologies are competitive, and this is an incredible change. So now everything will be easier, and what we need to do is to create the regulation, to create the models to allow the new technologies, the renewable technologies, to compete in the market. And in Spain, for example, we have recent experience with the auctions, with solar and wind competing and beating the market. We have today a penetration of renewable, for example, in Spain of around 20%. And I think that the challenges are different when you're at the beginning. And now we need to think in the challenge to achieve the big target to have an electric sector 100% renewable. And I think that most of the challenge will be not with the specific challenge of the technology in one wind farm or solar plant. The main challenge will be in the system. How to manage, how to operate a system in this scenario. No? System operation, flexibility will be relevant from now. No? Depend on the country. For example, in Spain we have wonderful experience with onshore wind farms. I think that in other countries, unfortunately, not in Spain today because of our geography, offshore has not been relevant until now. We expect that offshore will be relevant in the future. Perhaps for Spain will be relevant the future development of floating offshore. But obviously the start today is solar and PV solar. Perhaps we can say that today is the one most dynamic. Well, we are a company with a great mix of wind, solar, and grid-related services. No? And for us, the big challenge is, like with the system, to integrate all these capabilities to offer to the market a complete set of services to integrate the new technologies in a much more challenging system. That always these conferences are relevant for us. I think that we recently had 1 or 2 years ago the Paris conference, and now what we want to see is all the players, the electric companies, the manufacturers, the advisors. We want to see the same commitment than we see here in the conference to really promote, to be convinced that we can achieve this target of 100% electric sector based on renewable.